Court Uncut, what the people want.
All right, are we ready on Ms. Lee?
We're ready, Judge. She's going to avail herself to the offer of the people.
Well, before we go on the record, what is that all?
Us, a drag racing and a disorderly, and then the rest will be dismissed.
This is the City of Detroit versus Lakeisha Lee, case number SB 171-6956, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 171-71811, appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, may it please this honorable court, Tatanisha Reed on behalf of Lakeisha Lee, who is present via Zoom.
Ms. Lee, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Lakeisha Lee.
Day, date, and time set for a trial is Officer Jackson here. He was.
I think he might be in the breakout room.
I'll pull him out. All right. Ms. Lee, my understanding, you want to avail yourself to the offer?
Yes.
All right, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. Officer Jackson, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Officer Jackson, badge number 3919, out of the 12th precinct.
All right.
He got to ask the camera, Judge.
You got some pants on, officer?
Sir, they're in the. No, sir.
Officer Jackson, okay, Ms. Lee, it's the officer's as charged as a disorderly person, correct?
Yes.
And then amended count of drag racing?
Yes.
All right, you want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? I mean, I already did that. You understand one possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Reed, I went over your other advice and rights in breakout room, did she not?
Yes, she did.
Understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
We draw your attention back to May the 5th, 2025 at around 10:07 p.m. City of Detroit in the area of McNichols and Ward. Where did you have contact with the Detroit Police Department on that day and that time?
Yes, sir.
You operating this motor vehicle?
Say that again?
Were you operating this motor vehicle?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Reed, I don't have any notes down here to tell me what the reckless driving and disorderly person, was the disorderly person on the same date?
Yes, may I voir dire?
You may.
Ms. Lee, on that date and time, were you a disorderly person, i.e. maybe talking loudly, unruly, in the presence of others and officers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And as for the drag racing, were you operating a vehicle on the road in a hazardous manner?
Yes.
And how were you operating that vehicle?
I was driving.
I know, but speeding.
Speeding.
He said I was speeding.
Lakeisha, were you speeding?
Yes.
Well, no. He said you were speeding. What do you say?
I was speeding, but I wasn't drag racing speeding. That's what I said.
But drag racing is your plea. Hold on, Judge.
I got this. Let's get to understanding. You were speeding, right?
Yes.
Okay. What else did you do besides just speeding?
I was disorderly.
No, were you weaving in and out of traffic?
No, I don't recall. No,
Did you, did you
Can
not
we,
use? Go
I
ahead.
was speeding. That's it. I was going over the speed limit.
and Your Honor, I think that's a factual basis for drag racing.
I don't know if that's the factual basis for drag racing. I would not think that that would be the factual basis for drag racing. Just speeding. Drag racing, you have to be racing somebody. She didn't say she was racing.
But as you know, Your Honor, with this being a plea, she was originally reckless driving. So were you driving when you were because we're doing a reduced count to drag racing, were you driving your car in a reckless manner? Your Honor, she had said yes when I first asked her that. Were you driving your car in a reckless manner, Nikisha?
No, I was speeding. I was not driving reckless. I was speeding. I was just going over the speed limit. That's it.
Right. So if that is the case, where do we get reckless driving from? And it's never been totally defined as far as this court understands reckless driving being a willful and wanton disregard for people's safety.
I think maybe if she was going so much over the speed limit, so many miles over the speed limit, it could be considered reckless because you're putting other people's lives in danger.
How
May
fast
I
were?
ask the officer that question, Judge, if that'll help?
No,
Can I participate?
stop, please. Let me ask her what, because this is all about her plea. Now, I know the officer may say one thing and she may say another, but this is all about her admitting responsibility to what she says she did. Now, how fast were you going, Miss Lee?
I believe I was going 65 miles per hour
In what zone?
and a 45.
No, there's no 45 on West McNichols. There's not a 45 on, you were going 65 miles an hour in a 30 or 35 mile an hour zone at the most. All right, I'm gonna find that to be very, very excessive. So I'll find her guilty of the amended count of drag racing. With stipulation of probable cause, we'll dismiss the other two matters.
So stipulated.
You need to take a driving course too, because if you think that you can go 45 miles an hour down, if you think that the speed limit on West McNichols or Ward, whatever street that was, we know it's not 45 miles an hour on Ward, but if you think the speed limit is 45 miles an hour on West McNichols, then you need to take a driving course. Because automatically on those streets is either 30 or 35. All right, I'm gonna fine you 240 and 240. When can you pay?
What is it? $240? Two tickets?
Two tickets, so 240, 480, 480.
480. Can I get 30 days?
Yes. Is this any any delayed sentence at all?
Tamika Horn on behalf of the city, no, Your Honor, it's as charged.
All right, Miss, I'll even mark allowed payment plan. So Miss Lee, has it any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit? I'm told you can upload the div that app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person, or come down before or on December 1st and pay it and get into a payment plan, ma'am.
Yeah, give me one
December
second on
1st.
the court.
And I can get into the payment plan when I come inside?
Give me 1 minute.
Yes, you should get a payment plan when you come inside and we come down to the courthouse. I think you're gonna need to bring at least 20% down, all right?
Okay, yes, sir. Thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you. All right, Ms. Reed, thank you very much, and you be safe as well.
Thank you, Judge, and thank you, Sister Counsel.
Yes, yes, ma'am, thank you. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Thank- Officer.
Let's
You can now become a member of Court Uncut, where you get early access to videos, exclusive member-only content, a Court Uncut badge, and more. Thank you for all your support. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more crazy court hearings like this one.